In today's video, I'd like to talk to you about using the new split tool in the land tab. That would be to separate a field, cut out a piece maybe you no longer farm, something along those lines. So to be able to utilize this tool, we're going to go to Setup, and we're going to go to the Land tab. And then once that loads up, we're going to find the field that we're after. So I'll search for that in my search bar up here. We're going to go with Isaac 1 today. And so we're going to say that we sold off this section here and someone has built a house on it now, so we no longer farm that. So we need to edit this. So I click on my boundary, and then that pops up my toolbar. So you see these scissors here now. You probably didn't used to see that. That's a new tool there for this year. We hit that scissors. That's going to turn me into my crosshair. So the first dot that I drop needs to be outside my boundary. And then I come down here, I might zoom in a little better, get that corner, click there, and then click my last one outside the boundary. And then when I'm done with that tool, I want to click on that last point one more time. And that drops that line in there and cuts that portion out of my field. So then I could come up here, click on that, and then if I wanted to, delete that out. So that gets rid of that. That's what that gray line means, is no longer there when I save it. So if I save that now, there it is. That portion is gone out of my field, and I'm ready to load that up, keep using that, and so it no longer includes this piece with that house in it. So that's how to use the split tool and the features of it. Hope this video was helpful. Feel free to check out our other videos. Thank you.